I trust my body's innate ability to birth my baby. I surrender to my body. I fill my body with warmth, light, joy, and love. I can carry, birth, nurture, and mother my baby. No one else is more qualified, more experienced, or more capable of mothering my baby. In this space, I am a queen. Noise and distractions fade into silence. I am perfectly capable of birthing my baby. I breathe with control, slowly and gently. A noisy breath is a controlled breath. I see my baby in the perfect delivery position. My body is relaxed, my muscles work easily and efficiently. I birth with ease. I birth gently. My body and my baby know exactly how to birth, and they work together. The intensity of the sensations I feel are never too strong for me because my surges are me. I am powerful. I am majestic. I allow my body to birth easily and calmly. With each surge, I become more and more relaxed. I feel my body relax even deeper with every breath I take. Whichever direction my birthing takes, I can do this. My mind is quiet and I listen to my body. I relax my shoulders, I relax my feet, I relax my hands. I am in control of my mind. I am perfectly designed to carry, to birth, and to nurture my own baby. I relax my arms, I relax my legs, I feel all tension from my neck gently drift away. I allow my body to do what it needs to. No one can do anything to me or my baby without my consent. I will calmly roll with the waves of my birthing in whatever direction they take. I am safe and my baby is safe. I can relax. I send my calm, positive energy to my baby. I am excited to finally meet my baby. Any professional involved in my birthing process is here to help my baby and me. I can ask them to stop or to go away at any time. Above all, I trust my instincts. I bring my full attention to my calm, gentle birth. My midwife has experienced many more deliveries than I ever have and is trained to know exactly what to expect and what to do. I allow myself to feel the intensity of the amazing sensations that are happening within my body.